The Amazon rainforest, also known as the Amazon Basin or Amazonia, is a vast tropical rainforest located in South America, primarily in Brazil, but also extending into parts of Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. It is the largest rainforest in the world, covering an area of approximately 6.7 million square kilometers, 2.7 million square miles. The Amazon rainforest is known for its incredible biodiversity, with an estimated 400 billion individual trees belonging to 16,000 species, and over 2.5 million insect species, as well as a wide variety of plants, birds, mammals, and amphibians. It is often referred to as the lungs of the Earth as it produces about 20% of the world's oxygen and plays a crucial role in regulating the planet's climate. The Amazon rainforest plays a critical role in regulating the Earth's climate. It is estimated that the forest stores about 100 billion metric tons of carbon, which is equivalent to more than 10 years' worth of global human carbon emissions. This makes the Amazon rainforest a crucial natural carbon sink. The Amazon rainforest is a treasure trove of medicinal plants, with indigenous communities and traditional healers using its diverse flora for centuries to treat various ailments. Many modern medicines have also been derived from plant species found in the Amazon rainforest, including drugs used to treat cancer, malaria, and other diseases. The Amazon rainforest generates about 20% of the world's freshwater, with the forest's trees releasing moisture through transpiration, which contributes to cloud formation and rainfall. This rainfall then helps to replenish rivers and waterways, playing a vital role in regional and global water cycling. It faces significant threats from deforestation, illegal logging, mining, agriculture, infrastructure development, and climate change. However, there are also numerous conservation efforts underway to protect the Amazon rainforest, including protected areas, indigenous land rights, sustainable forestry practices, and advocacy for policy changes to promote conservation and sustainable management of the forest. The Amazon rainforest is home to some of the tallest and oldest trees in the world. Some tree species, such as the Brazil nut tree and the kapok tree, can grow to over 50 meters, 164 feet, in height and live for several hundred years, creating majestic and awe-inspiring forest landscapes. Unique animal species. The Amazon rainforest is home to many unique and iconic animal species, such as jaguars, anacondas, sloths, macaws, and toucans. It also hosts several species of primates, including the Amazon river dolphin, which is the largest freshwater dolphin in the world.